Welcome back to ZMA All Outdoors, everybody. Today we're going to be doing removing some trees from the fence line so we can see the pasture better. I'm going to show you how this excavator works. If you had to have all these crepe myrtles removed from this side of the yard and all the way down through there, it would cost you way more than this little machine cost. Y'all smash that like button and let's get started. Well, it removed that first tree pretty good. Obviously, I'm going to come back and cut down that with a chainsaw. But for the most part, it is way easier. Works pretty good, works pretty good. I'm gonna try to finish removing these stumps. I think I can do it. This little mini excavator works really, really good. It removes trees, digs. There's not a lot you can't do with it. I guarantee you it's a whole lot better to have one of these than to hire somebody to do this. Y'all smash that like button. Till next time. Also, I'm still trying to make a hunting video. I've missed a big buck 3 times. Hopefully he'll give me another shot, but I highly doubt it. And if not, we're gonna start camping. Y'all stay tuned. Real quick, I've had some people comment and ask what we did to, what upgrades we had to make to this thing. If you look right here, I had to cut the floor pan. We had to install a bigger lithium ion battery. We also put these chargers on here, or these, whatever the hell you call them, terminals, so we can charge with it to keep the battery charged, because the alternator on this thing will not support that air conditioner with that small battery. You're definitely gonna have to get a better battery. I also had somebody comment on extending the exhaust out where you don't have to smell the fumes, but if you listen, we've installed a huge fan up in that engine compartment. But it's on this side. Installed right here. This whole vent system's got a fan in it. Now you can see the back fence line better. Used to, you couldn't see the water trough at all, or the cattle pens. I think we're gonna leave those for now. I still need to haul that stuff off, but I think when I start camping, I'll burn it. There's another pile right there from last time. So, pretty good. Like the machine, satisfied with it. Anybody that has a big place or a farm definitely needs one.